Welcome to Kwon's Corner. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make Subak Hwachae, which is Korean fruit punch. Let's get started. I just got back from the vacation, but I caught a cold, so if my voice is a little off, please understand me. Korea is getting cooler, and I think fall is coming. So before the summer is over, I really want to make one last summer dish, which is Korean fruit punch. It would punch out the summer away. Wow! To get started, we need one watermelon. Oh no. Okay. Stop fooling around. Vacation is over. So I learned how to pick the good watermelon, which is you gotta get smaller size of the bottom. You gotta pick the one that has a lot of stripes, and you gotta hear the sound. Do you wanna build a snowman? And the lady at the market said it should sound like a bell, like boom. I don't know if it makes sense, but that's what you gotta look for. So we're gonna cut it into half. Ta-da! Oh, it smells good. And I don't know, it's red. I think it's pretty sweet. I think half of the watermelon will be enough. So we're gonna slice this watermelon into half again. And we need a bowl and a tablespoon. Get a tablespoon and scoop out the watermelon. Ta-da! And put it in the bowl. Ta-da! If you have a melon bowler, you can use that as well, but I don't have it. So I'm using a tablespoon. It works pretty well. When I was young, during the summer, me and my family always went to a stream. And when we go to the stream, we always bring the really big watermelon. While me and my brother was playing, we always put the watermelon into the really icy cold stream. After we were done playing, we always eat the watermelon and made this dish with my family. So I have a really good memory of this dish. So if you live near the stream, you should definitely visit with the watermelon. It's really good memory for you and your child. If you're a kid, you should ask your parents, Mama, let's go to stream with the watermelon. That's what you gotta do. Doesn't mean I was like that. Oh, by the way guys, the watermelon seed is a superfood, so you should definitely eat it. You can absorb any nutrition by swallowing, so you should chew it. Kwon's Corner tips. It doesn't taste good, but do it for your health. After you finish preparing watermelon, we need Sprite and milk. The ratio of Sprite and milk is 1:1. So let's add Sprite. That's about half. Let's add milk. And we need a little more fruit, so I got the canned fruit. Open up the can. Put the fruit on top of the watermelon. If you have a fresh fruit, you can use it. It might be better. But if you don't, use a canned fruit. It works very well. That's it. Our Subak Hwachae is all ready to eat. Eating time! That's it. Ooh, it looks so icy. Let's start. It's so big. I think it's really weird combination, Sprite, milk, and watermelon, but somehow it goes really well. This punch is really milky and sweet and a little bit of lemony because of the Sprite, and it's carbonated. It's really weird, but in a good way. Since it's watermelon season, watermelon is really juicy and sweet and refreshing. I had this dish since I was young with my family, so it's very nostalgic. It is very refreshing, so hopefully you can try. And if you try, please send me a picture through social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Kwon's Corner subreddit. I'm gonna put the link down below. See you next week. 안녕! If you like this episode, please hit subscribe and the like button. And if you wanna see more video, it's over there and over there. And if you have any requests, please comment down below. I'll make sure to cover it in a future episode. See you next week. 안녕!